Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this episode, I'm working on my Document Christmas 23 album, and I'm working on my page for December 12th and 13th. I'm using the digital version of the collection Farmhouse Christmas by Carta and lots of stamps and dies. This is a 2-page spread, so that means not a spread. It's just two separate pages for 2 different days. And so I'm starting with the one side there, and I have a bunch of strips, paper strips, and pieces of papers that I am now layering across the page. I start by laying it out so that I can figure out the spacing there. I have designed my page in Silhouette Studio, as I do usually with digital products when I use digital products. So this is actually available as a physical product, but also I have it as a digital version, which I like because I can resize everything to exactly the kind of size that I want and need. So I have these 2 strips of paper, and in between I have this other piece of paper there that I want to go there. And then I made sure that I kind of mat it, or I'm using this wooden pattern paper there as a photo mat, basically, rather than a frame. And I'm also adding the circle there, but I want to make sure that everything kind of fits with the spacing and how I disperse everything around the page there so that it works out. I have this tag that I also printed out and then cut out, and now I can add this, what will be my mat. I used a background, it's called a background label kind of thing from my Silhouette library, to use that to cut out this piece from my the digital paper that I have there. And then I have created a whole bunch of embellishments. Some of them are from the collection, and I just need to print them out and then cut them out, and other parts are just some that I have created myself, either in Silhouette or using stamps and dies. So I also went ahead and did my journaling, and then I have these tiny little kind of word strips, metal dies that I can cut them out from, and I decided to use that, and I thought that was very cute. It looks very cute on my page there, just to have that typewriter font just with these little die cuts, dies cut out. So then I have these bunch of embellishments, and then a while back I already printed and ran through my Silhouette the word that will go there, that is Noel. It comes from the collection, and again, a while back I just randomly just printed out a whole bunch of things that I then would run through my Silhouette so to have a print and cut. And so now I finally decided this is when I want to use that word on my layout there. If you want to know how to get perfect print and cuts and get your prints cut out very close to where your actual lines are, then I have a video tutorial on my channel that you can check out. It shows you a very easy way where you can also save yourself quite a bit of paper and some printing with this kind of method, and I think it works way better than the method that comes embedded with the Silhouette program. So anyways, now I'm moving on to the next page there, and once again I have a bunch of paper strips that I am arranging across the page. I can always refer to my to the layout on my computer. I don't fully embellish everything. I just have an overall idea of what I want to do with a page. But everything that I want to get printed, I then design as a layout in the Silhouette Studio, so that I can then prepare everything for printing. And it's super easy. I can have all my pages in exactly the way that I already want them to be. And what is really helpful with this method too is a lot of times I discover as I put together the page that the pattern papers don't really work really nicely well together. And so I can switch them out before I actually print everything, or if I use physical product, before I actually start cutting things and then realize, oh, it doesn't work together, it's too busy or too crowded or whatever it is. So I find it is very convenient to work this way with having the option of creating everything in Silhouette Studio before you actually put it on paper, and it only takes me like 5 minutes to design the page that way. So now all I have to do is add a few more embellishment pieces there. That lantern is also a silhouette file, and rather than cutting it out, I decided to just print it out, and then I just fussy cut it. That's the nice thing with a lot of the silhouette designs. You can just color them and then color them in according to the color theme that you need, and then use them as embellishment pieces in a much smaller way than they were actually created. So that's really nice. I also created this kind of border there, which is like a holly border. And so this is just made from green and red cardstock, and I'm adding that to my page. And here is my date, which is December the 13th. I have these cute little flag alpha stamp set that is really cute, and it comes with numbers, which is wonderful. So also you see this is a mixture of labels and embellishments that I have in my Silhouette library, and then what comes with this digital collection. And now I'm also adding my own word strips, which I like to use. They're easy to create if you have lots of fonts on your computer, and I just love fonts like crazy, and so I have a whole lot of different fonts that I love to use to create these word strips. And now I think this is pretty much my page done. I'm going to leave you with some more close-ups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.